So MOVIE.
Mm-hmm.
First thing is to open the shell python manage.py shell. After that you need to import the model from base.models import movie. And here we will be performing the create operation. So first thing we will go with the create operation. So what do you mean by create? We need to create the record into our database. There are different ways in which we can create the data into our database. So let us discuss each one of them. Okay, the first way is you need to take a variable. The first way you need to take a variable, then followed by name of your model. What is my model name? Movie is my model name. Movie is my model name. Then within the parenthesis, I need to pass key value pair. I need to pass key value pairs. Where my key will be the field names and value will be the values. Where the key will be the field names and values will be the value. For example, first field is title. Title equal to some movie name you need to give. Let me consider hero. Okay. Then followed by I need to give the hero name. Whatever the field name here you have, same names will be your key values. If you type something different, it is going to throw you error. It is not going to accept the things. Whatever the field names you will be giving here, the same name here you need to give. Title equal to Leo, then hero to Vijay, then heroine. Whatever the spelling there you have given in your models.py file, the same spellings you need to give for the field names. Heroine equal to then genre to action. After that what I have, language equal to Tamil. After that the rating release year, equal to 28. Yeah. Then after this, if you go to your database and if you refresh, still you will not be able to get. So after passing the data to my model class, what I need to do, I need to save it up. Then only the data will get created in my database. So what is I need to give a.save. When I give a.save, the data will get created. See now it got created. This is the one way in which you can create the data. One way is through your passing the key value pairs. It is like keyword arguments, passing the keyword arguments to your class model. For the model, we are going to pass these key value pair where your key will be the field names and value will be the data. Key will be the field names and value will be the data. And one more way in which you can create the record is through your model manager objects. We have an objects by the name model manager. It is like an interface between the database and the model. It is like an interface between the database and the model. Through the model manager objects, we can create the record. So that is model name dot. What is my model name? That is movie. Dot objects dot create. After that, within the create method, create is an inbuilt method object manager. Of my objects manager, the model manager objects, it has an inbuilt method create. Using this create method, I can create the records. So same thing to my create record also, I need to pass the key value there. I need to pass the key value there for my create method also. So let me change the data. Next which movie? Yeah. You can assume any movie you wish. Hero name. Then it can be from language is Kannada. Yeah. Movie.objects.create. Through the object manager, through the model manager objects, I am going to call my create method and pass my key value base where the key will be the field names and values will be the data. Now you can see model object 2. It means that the object got created. The object instance or model instance got created. In the sense record. The record got created. This is the second way in which you can create the record. So there are two ways in which you can create the record. Apart from these two ways, there is one more way. Before that, everyone complete creating the record in these two ways. In the parenthesis, you need to enclose it. So this is one record. This is one record data. After that, comma, again the model name, which is movie. After that, once again within the parenthesis, you need to pass key value pair. So let me pass this one. So same data I am using. If you want, you can pass other data also. So make sure the list element is separated by comma. This is a list element, so it is separated by comma. Then second model instance I have created done. Let me give enter. Okay, I forgot to close this one. Yes, created. 3 and 4 got created. Everyone, let me give you the bulks syntax. If you are not able to get it over here, the syntax is like this. So model name dot objects dot underscore create. Within the parenthesis, bulk create is a function, it is a method. Within the parenthesis, you need to pass the list object 1 comma object 2. Like this, you can pass n number of objects. Objects nothing but you need to pass the movie name followed by within the parenthesis key value pair. Each